Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 28th, our word of the day is imbroglio. I-M-B-R-O-G-L-I-O. Imbroglio. Imbroglio is a 9-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Imbroglio means an unwanted, difficult, and confusing situation, full of trouble and problems. Similar words include complication, complexity, predicament, entanglement, confusion, dilemma, embroilment. Examples of sentences using imbroglio are: the imbroglio seemed to be on the floor, on the other side of the table, near the wall. The corruption imbroglio may be one scandal too far for the tax commissioner. Social media picked up the imbroglio, and the bar's reputation plummeted. The rumors were around long before the imbroglio this weekend. So now we are faced with an imbroglio of questions. There seems to be an unholy imbroglio as to where we stand in procedure concerning the whole matter. Make sure to save this new word, imbroglio, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers!